Get it? Looks like he's still there. Is he there? Babe, I think he's on. It definitely looks like there's a fish on there. That's going to be comedic. You need a net?
I don't think so. Oh my God. Oh, he's so little.
His volume up. Let's see if your volume's up.
As usual, right before the show.
Probably be the only one all day.
Keep it down now.
The other guy
21-pound flathead. Right
Nice.
before the show.
All summer long, but this time of year, probably got. And then that's the other thing. The gar come swim through and hammer the baits, which is probably what happened there. So
They're still there.
all right, we're gonna see what's going on.
Jersey River Rat, what's up? Great to see you.
Hey, fish on.
All right, all right. Thank you, Roger. There's Clint's link for everybody that went over last week and looked at him. Thank you. Mike Turn, what's up? Good to see you, Mike.
Let's see, can he get him in the boat? Can he get him in the boat?
We're gonna try.
Oh, the big
Coming up close
skipjack.
there.
There are so many skipjack up here right now. I can't even fit any more in my free.
And they are so much fun to catch, aren't they? All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some points. We got the skunk out. Now, our last two live fishing tournaments in the live fishing tournament league, yeah, we've been skunked. So it's good to put one on live.
Absolutely. Hey, there's our good friend John Frizz for Catch Tackle.
What's up, John?
Speaking of River Catch Tackle, we've got Bobby uses a lot of River Catch Tackle. We got Lance, River Catch Tackle pro staff that'll be here in a little bit.
6, 7.
What was that?
In his defense, he couldn't see
There it is.
it coming around the bend.
All right, Stan, I got 10.64. I'll get your weight on the net here as soon as I get this fish in the water. It was 2.44 last we knew, but you know.
Yeah, he was coming around the bend. There's no way he could see me.
Yeah, nice fish.
They're all scarred up right now. They're up here in the shallow water, all scarred up. That way.
You were just talking about the blues, how they're doing up there. That's great to see.
Yeah, I think they're already
Here of the day, because
Get it? Crank it, it's on there. You don't have to set it.
Burrito, Catfish and Lady, these are things.
Got it.
Go to Thompson's Outdoor hour more, 3 miles east.
Fish on, Stan.
Fish on. We got you. While they're getting that fish, we had the 10 memberships. Fishing for Whiskers. Rhonda, you were gifted a membership. Steve Mosley, Look Lady, Real Time Catfishing, Mr. John Parker, was gifted a membership. Catfish Fever and Outdoors, Jimmy T. Nash, Susquehanna Stand, Stonefly, and T. What a list. There we go.
You want to hold him? No. I'm showing him. Little bait stealer. Might be a 222. Alright, 3.72. And I'll get you a weight on the grips here momentarily.
We're good with 0.2.
That one's dragging. Is it a snag or is it a fish, babe?
Oh, no, it's a fish.
Okay, okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry.
I'm just trying to figure out what kind of mess we're going to have.
Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. I need you to move, babe.
That's drag.
Oh yeah.
Here, babe.
Yeah.
Rod under here. Under here.
Okay, I can't.
Settle it up.
No.
Trying to get you where you can land it. Still a ways out.
No.
Past the lake.
Oh, me too.
That's a good one. That's a gooder one.
This drag is horrible.
The drag's supposed to work that way, babe.
Holy shit.
Come out.
Don't let him hit the boat. Oh shit. Wow, he fought like a champ.
That's a gooder one.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, settle down.
He was feisty as crap.
Put that. There's your fish Ohio for sure. I know you already have one,
He has my arm shaking. I think he was worse than the. See how bad he fought me?
but ooh-wee. Ooh. I think those hooks have a hell of a barb. If you could move that net out of the way. That's a gooder fish right there, babe.
Ooh-wee.
It might be bigger than your.
34.
Might be.
He just got my hand hurting.
Going out here, going out here. Ooh, okay. Oh, I need to put him back in the net to weigh him. Here, do you wanna try and hold him first? Put a hand up. Don't just pick him up by his jaw. Not always wait by the jaw, but grab underneath. Hold on, let me get my phone ready. There ain't much to it, but.
Whew. My arms hurt, so you gotta make this quick.
Big freaking cheesy smile. Alright. I think I got a whole bunch of them.
Okay.
Alright. Get in the net. It might be gooder. That scale.
I swear he fought me harder than the flat. 100%. Man.
Alright, I want you, when this zeroes out, I'm down 10% too. That's why I was actually messing with the. Okay, I want you to take a picture of the scale.
Picture or video?
Video in case it doesn't lock in. Ready? Close. Fuck. 32 something. 30.
Okay.
There's 30. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Good job, man.
He 100% fought harder than that flat. That's bizarre.
It just went dark. You've got down 5%.
Oh, don't worry about it.
It might be. I should probably charge that. Probably could have had it on charge for. Well, I started to when.
Babe.
Which one?
Yeah.
fish? Fish? What, you're messing with me?
Yep.
That's hilarious. Still there? Got him, babe?
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say, it's swimming.
Nope.
Still there?
Yep.
Coming out the boat?
Yep. He just went about.
He just what?
He just jumped out.
Is that a good fish?
Yeah.
Come down, I'm taking this over you.
Oh, yeah.
It's good. Look at you. All these good fish like this. That's a gooder.
Holy cow.
20 plus. Oh yeah, 20 plus. That's a gooder fish. Alright, hold this right here for just right there.
Hold on, bud. It's okay. Sorry.
That was a weird hook set. Wonder if it's because of the way he swam sideways. Let me get to it.
That is funny because I literally had my hand on the rod when we did it. I was like, oh, okay.
Let's get a weight on it before we take him out of the net. Maybe. Look at you catching all these gooder fish. Yeah, hopefully nothing hits it. I don't say that often. Let me hand you my phone. There it is. I'm going to get a recording of the scale because it's a good one. Oh, what did it do? Oh, it's in kilograms anyhow.
Wow, it is bigger.
Yep. That's about 34 then.
Yes.
Alright, you know the drill. You're starting to get good at this. Alright, hand under him. That wind blowing. Hold on, babe. I want to make sure we are good. And we seem to be.
Tell me when.
Oh, hold on. Let's see. Alright, baby. I can see you're shaking. I want to make sure I get a good one. That's a good fish.
Wait.
Let's get a length. That's a gooder one.
You want me to take a picture?
Holy, 38 and a half.
You want me to get a picture?
No, we know. 38 and a half. That's a good one.
scarred up like a lot of them.
No, it's really
Jeez.
pretty.